lumi Vjosa. Kur është kohë e mirë, ai bëhet har i kulluar. Edhe malet rreth rrotull që janë i japin bukurit radhaktiv fshati. Shiko, vëndlidhja është e shtrenjtë. Ne këtu jemi rritur, edhe ëndrat i shikojmë natën, i shikojmë këtu në fshat, kudo që jemi.
Kam punuar këtu në Lundë me gjithë fëmijë. Kam rritur 5 fëmijë edhe ata kam punuar bashkë me mua këtu. Na mban dhe na ushqen me gjithë. Si mos natyrën që është një natyrë e pastër e vigri. Gjithë të tokë që ne na mban, ajo e mbyt. Kështu që neve dalim jashtë loje, edhe si komb, jo si person.
The Vjosa River is one of the last large wild free-flowing rivers in Europe. Wild rivers are really kind of a rare thing on the landscape right now. They are kind of free-flowing rivers that are not affected by dams or other human impacts. They really are a glimpse of what all rivers of the world used to be like in the past. Rivers in many ways are arteries of the landscape. So much like arteries of the human body, they're really important to be kind of flowing, bringing blood to and for different organs. So rivers do the exact same thing. They transport energy and nutrients from different parts of the landscape. When I see dam construction, it's severing those arteries. Over the last kind of couple decades, there's been increased recognition that, in fact, many of these dams are no longer serving their purpose. They're either aging and requiring a lot of money to repair, or it's just quite striking that the ecological impacts can be quite high. In addition to affecting fisheries or affecting livelihoods on rivers, they are also a source of greenhouse gas emissions. So the fact that they're sustainable or completely green energy is actually not true.
The Vjosa has been not studied in a thorough way, I would say. So it's only the last 4 or 5 years that scientists are having studies or research. Vjosa has its plans for hydropower as well. We are in time to avoid the worst.
Them që ai të bëhet, për arsye sepse ambienti do ndryshojë, infrastruktura mund ndryshojë, do rregullohet ujë të pishëm, do rregullohet energjia elektrike dhe këto themi se do të jenë resurse të mira për komunitetin.
Unë kam vreshtit të bëj raki, të bëj verë, të bëj riko, recet, me atë tokën që kam atje. Pëse leku, se leku.
You have 3 rapids in a row, and then it's calm and easy again, and then suddenly you hear the water again and you think, oh, there's another one. And so you're always a little bit in tension, but it's really amazing. They plan or they already started actually to build dams, but I love it the way it is. Because since we know that it's maybe one of the last rivers in Europe which is not under construction or is used for water, electricity.
Here's the dam, and we are just around here.
I'm pretty glad actually that I can do it in 2019. I can actually raft the river. Maybe in 20 years you look back and it looks completely different. Really sad that other people probably can't do it anymore.
Ne do bëjmë protestë, çfarë do bëjmë? Jemi në kundërshtim kundër kësaj. Tani qeveria mund të bëjë çdo gjë, po ne jemi kundër. Vetëm mund të marr kallashin automatikun. Çfarë do bëjmë? Me qeverinë se bëj dot se a do.
Shteti dëgjoj komunitetin mos të bëj sipas atyre firmave që duan të fitojnë para edhe të varrosin gjithë këtë popull këtu.
Protesta paqësore. Jo me molotov. Neve nuk bëft mirë se më keq s'ka ku të bëj.
You have seen what happened with the Notre Dame de Paris. So everyone was able to donate and to restore it. And why was that? Because it's something unique. And when we are talking about European natural heritage, it is Arc of Triomphe. It is Hagia Sophia. I don't know, Notre Dame de Paris. It's not ours. It's not theirs. It's Europe's last free-flowing river.